Miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night.
Welcome to CovertFam. I'm Keith Covert, and this is Casey's Kitchen. Today, you in for another treat. I'm going to do some grilled scallops. Wait till you see this dish. You're going to really enjoy this. Nothing you and your guests will truly enjoy. Well, here I am at my Saturday morning fish market trip. Beautiful seafood. Wow. I just want to buy everything. It looks so fabulous. I want some of this one too.
1kg 15,000원.
250 grams, okay? 250? Maybe four shells?
Sure.
Give me four.
4 shells?
Yeah.
Okay.
Love you every night, no checking the time.
First thing I'm going to do is cleaning the scallop. Careful when you're doing this. You can have them do this at the fish market for you, or me, I just be in Florida, I do it myself. Too easy. Remove this excess meat and expose the scallop. Beautiful. There they are. First thing I'm going to do is dice up my shallot. Get my sauce working. Chop up some garlic. Little flat leaf parsley. And my lemon. Add some butter on low heat. My saucepan, about 2 tablespoons. Add the shallot. Give it a stir. Pepper. Salt.
Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good.
A little white wine.
When I wake up in the morning
Garlic.
and see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful.
Now I'm going to turn the alcohol off. Make sure it's all gone. Do a little flambe. See my flame in the pan. Beautiful. All that alcohol escaping. Smells fantastic. Finishing up. I'll continue to reduce my stock. Add some parsley. Lemon juice. Okay. A little more pepper. And finish it with some lemon pepper. The sauce should be ready. Smells great. Lemon garlic butter sauce is done. Now let's get the scallops fresh. Chopping up the additional meat. I'll make a bed in the bottom of the shell. Put these 2 little jewels on top. Looks beautiful. Top it with breadcrumbs. I made these earlier with a little bit of parsley. Add my lemon garlic butter sauce on top.
I got the sauce. Put it over.
Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me high. Touching me like lightning, keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind.
Slide those on the grill or in your oven. About 7 or 8 minutes. Great. Now I'm going to add a little color to these with my torch. Or I could have left them in there just a little bit longer.
Just keep painting constellations. You cover me in glitter till I'm shining bright. I never
More lemon zest and a little more Parmesan cheese. Couple drops of lemon juice. A little more Parmesan cheese. Let's taste. Wow. So tasty.
Good.
Really good. You know, on these recipes, you can add a little more cheese. You can put a little more butter. Make it to your taste. Look at that. Fabulous.
Yeah.
Must say. Incha. Yes. Got white wine, shallot. Beautiful sauce. Gotta drink that. Yeah. All right.
Matiseo.
Incha.
Wow.
Chota. Beautiful. Add a little more color to those.
Do you wanna be a
Get them ready.
man?
Slide those in some of your gas.
Do you wanna
Cheddar
taste
one.
sweet